Hi guys, back again, and today I'm going to be looking at the differences between CBD isolate, CBD broad spectrum and CBD full spectrum. Now, I'm coming to you with this video because a lot of you do not actually know what you're buying. You're seeing these words on the internet and you don't know what they are. So I'm coming to you with information and hopefully to spread a bit of knowledge to you guys about what you're actually buying, what you're looking for, what CBD you're going to need for yourself, and how it actually is going to affect you. So basically, let me get into it. It's just going to be a video about what they do, how they do it, and what you actually want to look for. So I'm going to give you the pros and the cons and who it would actually be best for. So I'm going to start with CBD isolate, and the CBD isolate is the purest form of CBD, in which all other plant compounds and cannabinoids have been completely removed. So the pros on CBD isolate are purest form of CBD, no risk of psychoactive effects, generally considered to be safe, tasteless and odorless, and will not test positive for THC. Moving on to the con, there is one con, and the con is does not deliver enhanced benefits of the entire cannabis plant. So there's the pros and cons. Now I'm going to move on to the who it fits best for. Individuals who were recommended to specifically high dosage of CBD, individuals with sensitivity to THC or other cannabinoids, individuals who regularly undergo drug screening tests, individuals who prefer light flavours or no flavour at all, individuals living in states or countries that have strict THC laws, first time users that may be hesitant about other cannabinoids. So there you go with the CBD isolate. Now I'm going to move on to the CBD full spectrum. So the full spectrum CBD that has been extracted from the cannabis plant, along with all the other compounds and cannabinoids. The pros on full spectrum CBD are CBD full spectrum offers the full benefit of the cannabis plant entourage effect. The other pro is undergoes fewer processes. So moving on to the cons. The cons are may have psychoactive, sedative and other possibly unwanted side effects, which some people may not consider as a con. Some people may consider that as a pro because they're looking for psychoactive, sedative effects. And the second con is may show up on drug tests. So that's something you've really got to be careful for if you want to try the full spectrum and you work in a company or a factory or something like that, and they do regularly undergo drug tests. But the third con would be THC content may cause legal complications. So that's another thing that you need to be careful for if you want to try the full spectrum CBD. And the fourth con is may have strong natural flavour and odour, which as I said in the first con, some people may prefer that, some people don't. It fits best for individuals who were recommended a certain THC or CBD ratio, individuals with more severe conditions or conditions that CBD isolate and broad spectrum could not elevate. And the last fitting best for is individuals living in states or countries where cannabis is legal. So I've done the lowdown on that. So now I'm going to move on to broad spectrum CBD, and broad spectrum CBD is CBD that has been extracted from the cannabis plant along with all other compounds and cannabinoids except THC. So I'm going to move on to the pros for the broad spectrum CBD, and the pros are: offers the full benefits of the cannabis plant entourage effect. Then again, the second pro is no risk of psychoactive effect, and there's no risk of psychoactive effect because it has no THC. Now, the cons are less research and availability. So it hasn't actually been so much researched, and it's not actually that much available to the public. So, and the second con would be it may have strong natural flavour and odour, which again, as I said before, some people prefer that, some people don't. So that could be a pro and it could be a con, depending on who you are. And it fits best for individuals with conditions that CBD isolate alone could not elevate. Individuals with sensitivity to THC, individuals living in states or countries that have strict THC laws, and first-time users that are hesitant about THC. So again, as I said, CBD broad spectrum would be great because there's no THC, no psychoactive effect, but you've got every other effect in there, you've got every other taste in there. It's not flushing out tastes or anything like that. So there you go with the differences between full spectrum, broad spectrum and CBD isolate. I should be bringing out a couple more videos through this week. Sorry I haven't actually brought any more videos out, so I've come to you with this great bit of knowledge. Hopefully you will take it in, you'll have a look on the websites. If you want to go on the website, talk to them, ask them what their products are, ask them if it's full spectrum, broad spectrum. Obviously you know what CBD isolate is. It's the white crystals that you can buy in the extract jars. But anyway, I'm gonna finish the video up here. Great talking to you guys, great giving you a little bit of knowledge, and hopefully I'll catch you in my next video. Like and subscribe guys. Thank you very much.